Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Ford Edge Bluetooth. First, make sure your vehicle is safely in park with the ignition on. Then, navigate to the sync system menu on your car's display. Simultaneously, grab your mobile device and ensure its Bluetooth is turned on and set to discoverable mode. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth pairing process. Let's get started. Once in the sync menu, you'll want to select the option to add device or pair device. Your Ford Edge will then begin searching for available Bluetooth devices. When your phone appears on the vehicle's screen, select it. A 6-digit PIN will display on both your phone and the car's screen. Confirm they match to complete the secure connection. It's a straightforward process.
Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful tips. And on another note, life's too short for a stinky car. Keep your Ford Edge smelling amazing with Little Tree's Black Ice Air Fresheners. It's a game changer for freshness. Check the description below for a link to grab yours and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
Sometimes connections don't go perfectly. If you encounter issues, a simple restart of both your phone and the sync system can often resolve them. Also, consider deleting any old, unused devices from your sync system. This can sometimes improve performance. Finally, always ensure your phone's operating system and your Ford Edge's sync software are up to date for optimal compatibility. These steps usually fix most problems. With your device successfully paired, you can now enjoy the full benefits of Bluetooth in your Ford Edge. Make hands-free calls using simple voice commands or the touchscreen, keeping your focus on the road. You can also stream your favorite music, podcasts, or audiobooks directly through your car's sound system. Plus, easily access your phone's contacts and recent call history right on the display. It's all about convenience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.